So this is what the dashboard of my other PFSense looks like. This is what the dashboard looks like. I can guide you on how to set this up. Even set, the video we just did, the video you just watched. You looked at installation of the PFSense on the VMware from scratch, downloaded the image. But I stopped at the part where a Windows machine in the sandbox environment on the internal area of the PFSense was able to access the internet. So the dashboard was messed up. I can guide you on how you can get your PFSense to this point, as well as other configurations like changing the web configurator port number, to reduce the risk of unwanted actors accessing it. The other configurations I have done on this, I can also walk you through, just indicate what you want to know about the PFSense. I can also perform configurations on other devices like Cisco, FortiGate, Sophos, Aruba, Mikrotik, and what have you, as well as cloud configurations and lots of SIM tools. Once it is tech, network engineering, cloud, DevOps, InfoSec, tell me what you want to know, and I will surely get back at you. Even if I do not know, I'll come back and say, oh, I do not know, please forgive me. Yeah, thank you.